Hey guys, I want to talk to you today about a really easy way to cut down on the cost of your livestock feed or to supplement to give them better nutrition than they're getting from just grass hay. This is something that was done really since the beginning of time, but very extensively by the Romans, especially during their military campaigns. It's called tree hay. We have leaves everywhere that we are trimming continuously. These are low-lying branches that would hit me in the face when I'm cutting grass anyway. So I would be trimming that. We have property with trees everywhere. The trees are always trying to overtake the pastures, the gardens, the yard. We have a pond with lots of willow shoots that are always coming up. To keep this clean, you're going to be cutting a lot of this down and throwing it into a burn pile. So why not feed it to your livestock? There is a lot of nutritional value in leaves that they're not getting from just grass hay. Now, what the Romans did is they cut it down, they would hang it in their barns or, under roofs, let it dry, and they would feed it in the winter months. You can do that, or you can just supplement throughout the summer months with it if you have enclosed livestock like chickens, rabbits, goats, sheep. You can store enough to feed them even exclusively on this through the winter. Now, I will give a caution with rabbits because there are a lot of trees that they cannot eat. But there are a lot that they are. You can do your research, look online for a list of the things that rabbits can eat. One of the things that they absolutely love is willow, and we have an abundance of it, always trying to take over the pond. So that's good for them. They will eat the leaves, the bark, everything. It's good for their teeth, for them to have something to chew on, because rabbits' teeth continually grow. So there are medicinal values also to leaves. So give them a variety of, for your livestock. Things like pecan have tannins in it that work as a natural dewormer, gets rid of parasites in your livestock. Mulberry is a great multivitamin plant. The willow has medicinal pain relieving purposes. It's got a natural form of aspirin in it. So be careful feeding exclusively one thing. But the thing is that most animals, especially things like sheep and deer and cow and horses and all, they more or less know what to eat and what not to eat. So if you give them a variety, they'll eat what they need and leave what they don't. So this is a great way to cut down. What I do is every day I just bring some loppers out. This is really all that you need to do this. And just the things that are in my way that I would have to cut down anyway because I can't cut the grass around this. Cut it down. If you were going to dry this for the winter, you would hang this up and let it dry, but I'm just going to feed it right now. And you'll find that they actually prefer to eat this over the grass hay and even over their feed. And I feed whole grains, I feed pellets, I feed a variety of things to my livestock, but they always love the leaves more than anything. So it's very good for them. They like it. It's free. It's stuff you would get thrown away or burned anyway. After they've eaten all the foliage off of it, you can take the sticks out and burn them in your burn pit, or wherever you would burn your wood. Collect it immediately for pot ash, which you can use in your garden for a lot of great purposes. I'll do a separate video on that. We do have a video on the nutritional and medicinal value of the mulberry leaves, and I will show you that video. And we also supplement with sweet potato leaves, which have a lot of nutritional value and grow like crazy. So instead of just cleaning up around the yard and throwing all of that away, feed it to your livestock. It will make them healthier. It will help them to be stronger. It will give them a more robust variety of nutritional value in their diet than what they're getting from, say, just the pellets or dried grass. For example, this is a big willow branch that's overshadowing my grapes, so that's got to come down. So I'll just take it down a little bit every day and give some to the rabbits. To show you, I've just fed them hay, rabbit breeder pellets, whole corn, and whole oats, and they're leaving their feed to come because they want some of this willow. So they know what's good. they're already eating it through the wire. So again, with livestock, that's small up to the size of sheep and goat, you can do this exclusively through the winter. But even if you don't, just giving them some is like giving them a multivitamin. It will build their immune system, it will make them stronger and healthier, and it will help them to endure the winter a little better.